Ever clicked on a link and found a treasure trove of discounts on your favorite products? What if I told you could cash in on that click? Stick around and I'll unveil the secret world of affiliate links and tracking that marketers don't want you to know. This could change how you shop online forever. Affiliate links are like the secret agents of the online shopping world. Picture this: every time you're browsing the internet behind the scenes, these links are smoothly directing traffic from one website to another. It's all part of a partnership where content creators or influencers promote products and get a reward for doing so. Think of a link as a matchmaker introducing you to something you'll love. And when you hit that buy button, that matchmaker earns a little thank you commission from the seller. Here's the kicker: you're not paying extra for using an affiliate link. The price stays the same whether you go direct or click through an affiliate. It's basically a win-win-win. You snag the product you want, the seller makes a sale, and the person whose link you clicked gets a piece of the pie for bringing you two together. But how exactly does this digital matchmaking work? Imagine each affiliate link as a unique barcode tied to the person who shared it with you. When you click on that link, a small file called a cookie, think of it as a virtual guest pass, is placed on your device. This cookie does something pretty clever. It remembers which link you clicked and who sent you. So if you buy something, that virtual guest pass ensures the affiliate gets credit for the referral. What's even more fascinating is how long that cookie can last. Sometimes it's 24 hours, other times it could be as much as 90 days. This means if you return to the site to make a purchase within that time frame, the affiliate still gets their commission. So now you're in on it, the secret's out. But wait, have you ever used an affiliate link without realizing it? Or are you now tempted to see if you can spot one in the wild? Share your thoughts and experiences down in the comments. Understanding affiliate marketing is like unraveling a digital ecosystem that's intricate and fascinating. At the heart of this system are the affiliates. They are like scouts in the vast online wilderness, constantly on the hunt for great products. Once they find something they genuinely believe in, they wave the flag and tell the world about it through blogs, social media, or YouTube channels. Then there are the merchants. These are the creators, the makers of all those products that solve problems, make life easier, or simply bring joy. They partner with affiliates because they know a good product alone isn't enough. It takes a network of passionate advocates to drive real buzz and sales. On the other side, we have you, the consumers. You're the explorers seeking out recommendations that align with your needs and interests. When an affiliate's content resonates with you, it's because they've done their homework, understanding not just what you might like, but why. The magic happens when these three roles converge. Affiliates share a link, merchants track the sales, and consumers find new products they'll love. With every click behind the scenes, there's a complex dance of tracking codes and cookies, all working to ensure that if a sale happens, the affiliate gets their share for making the introduction. But I'm curious, how many of you have clicked on an affiliate link and made a purchase? Were you aware it was an affiliate link, or did it all just seem like seamless internet magic? Drop a comment and tell us about your experience. Tracking methods in affiliate marketing are the unsung heroes that make sure affiliates get the credit they deserve for their referrals. So how does it all work? Let's start with cookies. No, not the chocolate chip kind. These tiny digital files are like breadcrumbs, storing data about the user's visit to a website. When you click on an affiliate link, a cookie lands in your browser, whispering to the merchant, "Hey, this sale was brought to you by Affiliate X." Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Now onto pixels. These are small, transparent images embedded on a page, nearly invisible to the naked eye, but mighty in function. When a page with a tracking pixel loads, it sends a signal back to the server confirming an affiliate-referred visitor has landed. It's digital high five between the website and the affiliate's tracking system. And then there are referral codes. These are the secret handshakes of the affiliate world. You've probably seen them. You enter a special code at checkout, or it's tucked into the URL you clicked. This code tells the merchant, This customer is part of your affiliate partners tribe. Understanding these technologies is key to unraveling the mystery behind affiliate marketing. But the real question is, how does this tech shift? What's beyond cookies, pixels, and referral codes? How will tracking evolve amidst growing concerns for privacy and shifts in digital policy? Stay tuned, as we'll be delving deeper into a future where affiliate marketing innovation outpaces the present. Have you ever used a referral code or realized later that you supported an affiliate with your purchase? Share your story below. Picture this: you've launched an affiliate campaign and clicks are pouring in, but how do you know which clicks are turning into gold, that is, actual sales? This is where the art of tracking comes into play. It's the compass for navigating the vast sea of affiliate marketing, guiding affiliates and merchants to the treasure chest of successful partnerships. Imagine affiliates as scouts venturing out into the wilderness with their unique skills and resources to help merchants find customers. But any good scouting mission needs a way to send signals back to base. That's where tracking technologies come in: cookies, pixels, and referral codes. They're the affiliate marketer's flare gun, signaling each time they've spotted a potential customer. Now think about merchants. They're like commanders in a control center, watching for these signals to flash across their screens. Each flash means potential revenue, and they want to know who sent it so they can reward their scouts accordingly. Without this precise tracking, they might as well be throwing their hard-earned money into the wind. It's not just about the reward either. Tracking forms the backbone of a cycle of continuous improvement. By understanding which affiliates bring the best customers, those who don't just click, but also buy, subscribe, and stick around merchants can make smarter decisions about where to invest their marketing dollars. But what does this mean for the future? With digital privacy becoming the talk of the town, will the tracking techniques we use today stand the test of time? How will this digital ecosystem adapt? Here's something to ponder. If you were an affiliate, what kind of data would you want to see to optimize your strategies? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's explore how data shapes the landscape of affiliate marketing. Understanding the balance between effective affiliate tracking and respecting digital privacy can feel like walking a tightrope. On one hand, merchants and affiliates need data to thrive. On the other, consumers are increasingly protective over their online footprint. The key lies in transparency and choice. Tracking technologies don't have to be invasive if used correctly. They can respect user privacy while still providing invaluable data. Imagine cookies with a bad rep as privacy invaders, right? But not all cookies are created equal. First-party cookies, for instance, are like friendly tour guides. They remember your preferences and help smooth out your experience on a site. Privacy implications really hinge on the usage of third-party cookies, which can track you across different sites. But here's the twist. The digital world is pivoting, with major browsers phasing out these third-party trackers in favor of more privacy-conscious models. This shift could be a game changer, grounding previously high-flying concerns. Ad blockers are another worry for affiliates and merchants. They act like gatekeepers, stopping ads from reaching their audience. However, this is an opportunity in disguise. It forces marketers to think outside the box, crafting more engaging, high-quality content that people actually want to see. Instead of being an obstacle, ad blockers could elevate the quality of marketing across the web. So how do we chart a course forward? With innovation. New paths are being carved through the digital landscape with solutions like contextual advertising, which matches ads with content, not with user behavior. And let's not forget about the power of consent. Giving users control over their data could foster trust and even enhance the effectiveness of affiliate marketing. What are your thoughts on balancing privacy and performance in affiliate marketing? Have you come across any innovative solutions that respect privacy while still delivering results? Share your experiences and let's keep this conversation going.